Hey guys, my name is David Nanit. I'm from the Republic of Congo and I've been living in China for the past 14 years. As you know guys, in this channel, it's all about life in China, business, education, and etc. guys. So in today's live guys, I am going to show you what $480 to $500 can get you here in China. So stay tuned and yeah guys. Here is the entrance. All right guys, so you have your closet here where you can leave your things. Okay, I'm gonna be fast guys, don't worry. Bathroom, you got dining room, the first bedroom. This is the kitchen. So guys, the kitchen actually use gas here in the kitchen guys. Whoa, dining room. The dining room actually is combined with the living room. You have the walkway here, office, a room, and then you have this huge balcony guys. This is what $500 can get you in China, Hangzhou city. And guys, here you got the master bedroom. Nice. Nice. And you have this long walk closet. So guys, this is what $480 can get you here in Hangzhou city. So this is the entrance. All right guys, I am shooting this video. On my right side, you have the visitor bathroom, which is great. This space is also friendly. Nice one. On my right side, you got the first bedroom. $480. This is what $480 can get you here in Hangzhou city, China. Nice bed. We go out. We got dining room. Nice one. Kitchen. Nice fridge. So nice guys. I'm in love with these apartments. You know, the price is super affordable guys. $480. It is even expensive than my apartment. Okay, living room. You got your sofa. Nice one. Office over here. Bedroom 2. Balcony, look at the view. Nice bed. Closet. Master bedroom. Nice one. And this master bedroom comes with the bathroom. Great. Thank you.